How to trim a video on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily trim a video on Snapchat. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open your Snapchat app. Now if you want to record a video, you can record it, or you can select a video from your camera roll. But make sure that the video is 10 seconds or more than 10 seconds, because only 10 seconds or more than 10 seconds video can be trimmed. So I'll record a video. Now to trim it, just tap on this video here, and here now you can trim it from starting or from last. And once you have done trim, you can just tap on next, and here you can add to your story, snap map, or send to your friends. So this is how you can trim a video on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.